Hey everyone, Mike here from MyKeyReviews. In this video I'm going to be showing you the PlayStation VR2 Sense controller charging station. The retail price of this is around £40, which is quite hefty when comparing it to their DualSense controller charging dock. That's £25. However, if you are looking for a neat and one hub solution for your VR2 Sense controllers, then this is certainly the way forward. So if I take a look at the back here, we have three key features. The first thing is charging the left and right controller simultaneously. So that way, if they both get used up at the same time, they're both going to be charged up at the same time. The next thing is free up USB ports. This one has an actual plug that goes into a power outlet rather than a USB port such as the PS5. And the next feature is simply dock your controllers to charging station via supplied charging adapters. Personally, I would say there's a fourth feature, and that is it looks really smart and just keeps them both neatly together. Anyway, let's have a look inside the box and see exactly what's inside. This sticker is very well stuck down, but I think I've just about got it. No, I certainly don't. I think it's probably easier with the knife. Well, that was certainly a lot harder than it should have been. Okay, so it slides out. Just like so. And here we are. So, I believe inside here we have the two USB-C adapters. So these will plug directly into the controllers, but I'm just going to put these to the side for now. Obviously I'm in the UK, so I've been supplied with a UK 3 pin. And an AC adapter. And finally, we have the docking station. And that actually looks really smart. And hidden inside is an instruction manual which states that if the PSVR2 Sense controllers are completely depleted of battery, this will charge them both up in 1.5 hours, which is fantastic. Before I explain how to use this, I do want to show you around the charging station. So first of all, on the bottom we have a good amount of rubber grip on the base, and this just keeps it nice and sturdy once it's sat in place. Below that we have the power port, and with this plugged in, it does fit in nice and flush, which is really nice. On top we have the two magnetic charging points, and then at the front we have the PlayStation symbol in a glossy white. Now I do actually feel like PlayStation have really missed an opportunity here. So this doesn't actually light up when this unit is powered on, and they could have even implemented a LED system to show you when the controllers are charged. That would have been really cool. So Sony, you missed out on that. Anyway, when it comes to using, it's extremely simple. So I'll just re-plug this in, and I'm going to power it up as well. Right, so that's all done. Then you want to get your two little USB-C adapters. So here we are. Then you want your Sense controllers. So this one's the left. These fit in either one, it doesn't matter. And then on the base, you just click that in like so. I'm going to grab the right controller, and once again, click the little adapter in. And then it is as simple as putting the right on the right and the left on the left. Overall, my final thoughts, I would definitely recommend this charging station. It just keeps them both neatly together, charges them at the same time, it charges them quickly, and look how simple it is just to grab them. So yeah, definitely two big thumbs up from me, and there we are, and now they're back on. Obviously, like I said before, I think they missed the opportunity with this PlayStation symbol. It would be good to see very clearly when they're charged, but you know, it's not a deal breaker. It's just, it would have been a nice extra feature. As for overcharging, you're not going to be able to overcharge them. They will stop charging when fully charged, so it doesn't matter if you leave them on overnight, several days, whatever. Yeah, it's not going to keep charging them when they're full on battery. Yeah, overall, definitely recommend. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video.